Okay, this is as you come in the driveway. It's a one-car garage that's right there. And I'm going around to the front door. And I have been to this place before. So like this is the front porch and it needs some work. But this house is pretty decent for the price. I've been here before. Just a minute, I gotta get the key. But you can see it's got some wood, you know, the wood needs to be taken care of here. It doesn't look to be very damaged. It just looks like it needs some sanding and painting here. Just a minute while I get in.